Hey, this is John with Schubert Technologies, and just wanted to put out that there is a Super Bowl flight advisory for this year, 2023. So I know someone somewhere is going to get the bright idea, hey, I should go out and fly over the Super Bowl and check it out. Happens, doesn't happen often, fortunately, but there is a NOTAM, so a notice to all airmen that there is a special security instruction about temporary flight restrictions in the area of Super Bowl this year. Comes out of the FAA Safety website, and I'll show you here in a minute how to get a copy of this and receive it yourself. So it gives you the coordinates. Of course, this can be your longitude, latitude, north and west. It's going to give you the dates. So it's from the 9th to the 12th. Do not fly around the Super Bowl. It's going to give you the exceptions. So law enforcement, military, air ambulances, and then regularly scheduled commercial passengers planes that have these approved transponders and go through security procedures. Of course, they're going to still be able to fly, albeit I would think that they're probably going to be flying around it. They're not going to go over it. There are multiple rings of restrictions. So you've got 10 nautical miles to 30 nautical mile outer ring restrictions. And then in effect for the entire TFR, you've got these exceptions again, emergency life-saving, law enforcement. And then within 1 nautical mile and 3,000 feet above ground level of the State Farm Stadium, unless otherwise authorized, which would probably be like a Lance approval, all UAS operations are prohibited. And that specifically, that prohibition is February 12th from 11 to 15:30 or 3:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So it's got just some of your basics as far as anyone who doesn't apply, what codes and sections are going to be used, what they may accuse you of doing, interference, disruption, damaging, destruction of unmanned aircraft deemed a credible safety or security threat. And then the final last thing that I kind of wanted to mention here, if you want to see notices like this, I've got this because I signed up on FAAsafety.gov to get notices. So as a UAS pilot, there are a couple of websites that you should be aware of. The first one is FAAsafety.gov. This has where you can renew your Part 107 when the 24-month point comes up and you need to renew. And then, of course, there's Drone Zone. So if you do Lance approvals, when you get your Part 107 license, this is going to be a good dashboard. So you can see here, I have 2 Part 107 drones, but the Part 107 has the inventory of all of the drones that I've registered, the number of users, which is just me, waivers. So if you do a Lance approval, you can always go back and it's archived here. You can see the requests that you've put in, and hopefully never ever use this section if you get into an accident. And actually, I misspoke. If you're a drone pilot, there's a third website you should know about, Schubert Technologies on YouTube. But anyway, back to fast safety. So from this page, you can go to your account, click on my preferences in the profile, and down here, email notification preferences, you can go through and you can tell it what types of emails you'd like to get. And so with the ATC notices I've got here, airspace concerns, I generally get with these selected, you'll get notices of VIP movement. You'll get notices about GPS interference being planned. So if you're near a military base or a research laboratory where they occasionally test out effects of GPS denial, you'll see GPS interference testing notices that go out. So on a certain day, if you notice your GPS is not locking or significantly less than what you're used to, those are the types of emails you can get with these selected. Of course, there's far more, but with these, I get it probably about maybe 1 to 3 emails a week. So it's not a lot of spam. It's all good stuff. So again, go into your user account, go into your account preferences under your general tab, and then you'll be able to change what types of emails you get. So hopefully that helped, and have a great day.